Why me? I've been questioning this since the day it happened. Since the morning when I woke up and found out that everyone just disappeared. Nobody's there anymore. I'm the only living man on earth. Why me? Is it my hell? Am I destined to live in loneliness till I'm gone? I've never been too social and easygoing with people, but now I'd give everything just to go back, just to be in the crowd again, to hear the meaningless chattering from unknown people instead of the killing silence that filled the whole world. I'd give everything just to hear someone farting in an elevator and pretend that he didn't. I'd give everything, but in fact, what could I give? Nothing matters anymore. Everything I have known is shattered. I'm one with myself. I have no option but to face my true self. And I'm scared of it. I can't stand what's inside me. No one ever told me that the greatest horror lies in ourselves. Guess that I had to find out by myself. But why me? Where is the justice? I wasn't the baddest person on earth. Why was I put in this nightmare then? I don't deserve this. The silence is killing me. Mommy, please take me home. I'm scared. Someone please come. I don't want this. Please save